Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have seen in the comments that some of you already have full-time jobs or other responsibilities, and you're looking for things that you can do to kind of make a little bit of extra money whenever you want to. You want jobs that you can log on and work when you want to, that has that flexible schedule to work it around whatever you need to work it around. And so that is what I have for you today. The company name is Cambly. Now, Cambly has 1,300 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. Of course, if you want to read the reviews or put that application in, the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Cambly is an English tutoring company. They are going to pay you to simply speak and have conversations with people so that those other people can learn the English language. Now, it does say for every minute you spend chatting with someone, you make 17 cents a minute, so that can make up to $10.20 an hour. And then if you're on the Cambly Kids, you can make 20 cents a minute or up to $12 an hour. They do a payout by PayPal every Monday. So this is going to be a little bit lower paying, but you can log on and work when you want to. They don't require any kind of degree or any kind of experience, just that you know how to speak English very well. Now, you get to set your own schedule. You can tutor anytime, anywhere. Their students are spread out across the world and across the globe, so there's always somebody to tutor. You can start tutoring any time of the day based on the schedule that works for you. You can work as little or as much as you want to. They don't have any minimum hours. So this is perfect for those of you who just want to earn extra money in case you've got things coming up, vacations you're saving for, extra things you're saving for. You have a full-time job, you're just trying to make extra money on the side. Whatever it is, this would be perfect for that. Now, to get started, you simply hit the Get Started button. A page will load for you to create an account, and you just create an account and fill out all of your information. All right, please let me know down in the comments below if you like things like this, if you want me to share more of these things where you get to set your own schedule and kind of make some side money, or let me know if there's anything specific that you're looking for as far as a full-time corporate work from home job. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.